Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with power management and a quick physical check. Make sure the headset battery is charged above half, then disconnect any cables. You want a clean state. Next, visually inspect the left ear cup seam and grill for lint or sticky residue that can impede contact. Once done, perform a soft reset by holding power and volume down for 10 seconds to restart internal firmware. This eliminates transient software issues before you dig deeper into diagnostics and repairs. Now you move into targeted diagnostics and physical troubleshooting. First, pair to a reliable phone and play a stereo test. You'll determine whether the problem is source, Bluetooth channel, or hardware. Then use the Beats or device audio balance to swap channels, confirming whether audio routes correctly. If imbalance persists, carefully remove the left ear cup cushion and open the cup to inspect the ribbon cable and connector. Look for loose pins, corrosion, or cracked solder joints, and receipt or reflow connections as needed. Finish by installing any replacement parts and validating function. If you found a damaged speaker driver or connector, swap in an OEM component and reassemble carefully, aligning seals and cables. Once closed, run a full stereo balance and battery charge cycle to confirm stable left channel output. Make sure volume and EQ settings are normal. If the left side remains dead, perform a factory firmware restore. And if that fails, contact authorized service. Professional repair is the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.